Hi, I'm Thomas, and today I'm going to show you how to mount the chest pack and the backpack on the Integrator Hunting Vest. This is a chest pack. As you see, it is attached to the front using molar webbings and buckles, and the backpack is attached the same way. There are various other positions where you can mount these packs, and I'm going to show those in other videos. Let me walk you through the steps so you know how to do it in a few minutes. So take one of these straps, using the plastic tool, thread it through the first molar webbing. Okay. Make sure it sits firmly, that it's anchored using these little points. Take the other strap and thread it through here. Same first webbing, but on the other side. Again, make sure it sits firmly. Oops, this is sliding out a little bit, so I need to adjust. Okay. Now it's good. Now you're ready to attach the pack. It has various additional buckles so that you can attach additional stuff to it. Okay, take the other buckle and attach it here. There you go. There's your chest pack. So, an important feature of the chest pack is this emergency pull tab. If you pull it, it opens both zippers and you have instant access to the contents inside. For example, if you're wandering around in bear country and you suddenly need access to your handgun, just rip this open and there you can take your gun. This elastic band attaches with a Velcro, so you can freely attach it the way you want. If you're left-handed, maybe you want to change the angle, or you want to put it in a lower position. You have all the space inside the pack to attach it. Now let's attach the backpack. Take these straps, using the plastic tool, thread them through the first molar webbing here. Okay, make sure it sits well, that it's anchored using the little plastic horns. Again, take this one and using the tool from below, just thread it through here. Okay, good. Now you can attach the pack, same story as in the front. Click. And click. Okay, there's your pack. Included with your pack are two longer straps. These you can use to attach to a third position besides the front and the back. There's also a side position, which is very popular. And you just attach these longer buckles or straps here to the front and the lowest buckle on the back. And there you go. You have your pack attached to your side, but also kind of to the back.